Hello students, welcome to Praishu YouTube channel. This is Scholarship Exam Standard 5th online class paper 2 subject intelligent test, and this is video for the mock question test number 3. So in this video we are going to see the answers, or we can say the summarizely how these answers are comes. So question number 26, how many of the following words have incorrect spelling? So if you check all these one, you will find out, so these are the incorrect spellings are there. Okay, so means here the instead of the sc is here the e should not be there, here the r, and then instead of a there is the e, means r and e is missing, and here instead of the c there should be the s. So means 1 2 3 and 4. So 4 means option number 2 is the correct one. Then question number 27, write the letters in a sentence. India is developing nation. In the reverse order, which is the letter second to the right of the letter sixth from the left? Now, reversely means this for this side, this number 1 comes from this, okay, means from the right side, okay, means we consider now this is the right side, okay, for the moment. Then reverse, which is the letter second to the right of the letter sixth from the left hand. Now from left hand, now this is right hand and this is the left hand now, okay, after the reverse one. So from the left one, the sixth one, 1 2 3 4 5 6, the sixth one is the n, and from this the letter second to the right. Now to the right means this one, to the right. Now after the reversion, second means this is the first and this is second, so there is a n is there, so n is given in option number 3. Now question number 28 and 29, so common instruction is there. Observe the series and answer the following question. So this is the series. Now question number 28, in the series, how many times does it occur that 1 is just before 0 and this 0 is followed by 0, means that is a 1 0 0, that is the meaning. So this 1 0 0 we have to find out now. So 1 and then 0 0 one time, then 2 time, and then 3 times. So we are getting 3 times, and 3 is option number 1 correct. Then how many times the prime number are followed by the adjacent 2 digit? Now prime number means, now we will see this series. Now here 0 and the 1, these are the 2 digits. Now from this one, the prime number means 1 is not a prime number, means after this one, but 2 digit if you consider 1 and the 1 means 11 forms. Okay, so this is a prime number. If 1 and 0 forms, so this 10 is not a prime number, so means this 11 we have to count. See, this is the prime number we have to count. So now 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so means 6 times. So 6 means option number 3 is the correct one. Then question number 30 to 34, so common instruction is there. Find the odd man out from the following question. So question number 30, safflower, then sunflower, then groundnut and pea. So pea is a not a oil seed, so that's why option number 4 is the correct one. Other are the oil seeds. Question number 31, so wealth, power, strength and the ability. So here the words means power, ability or strength are the synonym, but wealth is not belongs to these 3 words, so that's why option number 1 is the correct one. Then question number 32, BD, DX, AA and CI. Now B having the number in a series, so B means 2 and the D is a 4, means 2 square is a 4, so B and D, so means here B and D, 2 is here and 4 is here, so B having these 2 and D having 4, so 2 square means 4, so this alphabet come like this one. D means 4 and X is a 24, so but 4 square is a 16, so here the 24 given, means this is a different one. Okay, so option number 2 is a different one. Now here 1 and 1. A having the 1, 1 square is a 1, so this is correctly. Now C is a 3 and I is a 9, so 3 square is a 9, so this is also the correctly. Means these three are having the similarity, okay, means the number digit and the square number, okay, but the option number 2 is a different one. Now question number 33. So if you do the additions of this one, so here the 6 plus 4 is a 10 plus 8 is a 18, then 9 plus 3 is a 12 plus this 6, that is a 18, then here 9 plus 6, that is a 15 plus 2, that is a 17, here 7 plus 5, that is a 12, 12 plus this 6, that is 18, means here the 18, 18, 18, but this option number 3 additions is a 17 comes, so that's why option number 3 is a different one. Now question number 34. If you rotate all these in a clockwise, so this will comes here and this will comes here, and this arrow which is in these directions, so this arrow will comes here, means interchanging of this one, okay. So this figures will here and this figures in clockwise, but this arrow will shifted to this one, so this one is films, this figure comes after this one. So this swastik is in different rotations, but this is matching after this one, means after this again the rotation and then comes this one, so this is matching with this one and this one, so means this swastik is a different one. And also the here the plus sign, now that turns to the cross signs, but here the plus sign, here the plus sign, and here also plus sign, means this figure option number 3 is a totally different. Now instruction for question number 35 to 39, find out the term which will replace the question mark. So here the question mark in here also. Now question number 35, 10, 21, 36, 55, 78. So these are the triangular number, and after this one, in between this one, the 15, that is getting omitted. So one number, one triangular number is omitted, and the next one is a here listed, okay. So that is a, so after 78, that is the 91 one triangular number, so that has to be omitted, and after 91 there is a 105, so means 31 and after the 91 plus 14 means that is a 105. So replacing to the question marks, option number 3 is the correct. Now question number 36. Now 4 and then 10 having this difference 6, after this one the difference 12, so here the difference 24, so means 6 doubles this 12, 12's double this 24, and after this one the difference is 48, means 24 multiplied by 2, 48. So like this one 48 multiplied by 2, and that is a 96 should be the difference, and additions of this one means 190. So that's why option number 4 is the correct one. Question number 37. So in this one, this inner circle is moving toward the outside, means this is at the center. Now this is just on a periphery, and after this one it's a touching to the means tangent like a, and the next one means that is a throughoutly disconnected, means like this one. So option number 2 is the correct one. Now question number 38. So this second number comes first, then this terms comes, then this third symbol comes first, so this comes after this one, this symbols comes, means 4 plus. So at the last, these triangles that will be moved to the forwards, okay. So for this one, starting with this square, so starting with this square means this one and this one, and after this one there should be the plus sign. So once it will replace, this will goes to the its locations, means starting with this square, so this one, then this sign, and then this sign, and this plus sign will be replaced to the this square, so here, and at the last this triangle. So option number 2 is the correct one. Question number 39, find the wrong term in the following series. So 0, 2, 3, 9, 8, 27, 15, and 16, 65. So here 0 means that is a 1 square minus 1, that is a 0. Then while adding means 1 cube, then plus 1, so that we are getting the 2, this is a 0. Then 2 square minus 1, that is a 4 minus 1, that is a 3. Then 2's cube plus 1 means square and then 1 cube, that is a sequence, okay. Here square, here cube, here square, here cube, and here minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1, that is a sequentially, okay. So as per this one, if you find outing, so 27 is a different one, and this is given in option number 1. Now question number 40, Megha's third birthday is on 18th August 2013, which was Thursday. When will she celebrate her 7th birthday? Now this is the third birthday, so which is at the 2013. So 7th means 7th minus 3 means that is after the 4 years, so means from 2013 to the 4 years, so that 4 days we have to add, and in plus 1 2016, that one leap year, so 5 days we have to go forward. So from the Thursday, so Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and then Tuesday. So for this one, Tuesday is the 5th day from the Thursday. So option number 3 is the correct one. Now, question number 41. In a leap year, the science day occurs on Monday. Now, what is the science day? Science day means 28th of the February. Okay, but this is a leap year, means there is a 29 days. So 29 on a Tuesday. So now, which day will occur 5 times? Now, the first day, which is up to the 20th, so that is the same, means in a February, in a regular year, so there is only 4 means that day, in a weekday are occurring, only 4 times, but in a leap year, the day which is comes on a 29th, so that occur the 5 times, and Monday is a 20th, so 29th will be the Tuesday, and Tuesday is a weekday that can be occur 5 times. So Tuesday means option number 4 is the correct one. Now, question number 42. There are some birds seated in a row on a branch of the tree. Sparrow is between crow and the parrot. So crow CR and the parrot PA. In between this one, the sparrow SP. Okay. Then all is between peacock and the kite. Crown and the peacock are at the opposite end. So here the crow and the peacock are at the opposite end. Now crow is one end, so opposite will be the peacock. So here the peacock, and the previous condition, all is between peacock and the kite. So peacock and the owl, okay, in between them the kite KI, and here the OW. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6, and if pigeon is also present in this row, which is the middle. Now the condition is that crow and the peacock are at the opposite end. Now peacock and the crow are opposite end, and now in this ones, this peacock, parrot and the crow having the middle sparrow is there, means this sequence is completed. Here also this sequence completed, and these are the ends. This is also the end, means the pigeon is in between this one. So PI will be there, and the middle one means here the 3 and here the 3. So pigeon will be at the middle one. So pigeon means option number 4 is the correct one. Now question number 43. Ravina is at the middle person in a queue. So suppose this is a queue. At the middle, Ravina R is there. There are 8 boys and 5 girls ahead of her. So suppose 8 boys and the 5 girls. 5 girls are ahead. Means suppose this side. What is the rank of a boy who is 6th from the back end? So the boy who is 6th from the back end. So first of all, we will find out the Ravina's middle place. So here 8 plus 5. So there are the 13 persons Ravina's one side. So 13. These are the 13. So if C is at the middle, means here also 13 should be there. So 13 plus Ravina one counting plus 13. So total there are the 27. Okay. So if there is a 27 and asking about what is the rank of the boy who has 6 from the back end. So from the back end, if suppose he is a 6th here, so from the front end means the ranking 27 minus 6, so that is a 21, and plus 1 means that is his position, so that is a 22, means 22 is a correct answer for question number 43. Here periphery is spelling periphery. Now question number 44. On a periphery of a circle, A is facing B. Now suppose here is the periphery. A is facing B. E is sitting between E and E is sitting between F and B. D is on the right side of the B but adjacent to C. Who is facing F? Now, how many are there on a B? 1 2 3 4 5. Now here A, B, C, D, E and F. These are the persons sitting on circle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So like this one on a periphery means that is a equally distance. Okay, also we have to maintain. So suppose now A is facing to B. So A and B facing means opposite of this one, A, B. Then E is sitting between F and B. So F and B, B and F. F either here or here. Okay. So in between this one, the E is there. Then D is on the right side of the B. So D is a right side means here the D is there means, and E is sitting between F and B. So means of course here the F should be there and F and B here the E should be there. Now remaining is the C is here. Okay, so D is on the right side of the B but adjacent to the C, adjacent to the C. Okay, now that is also correct. Now who is facing F? Now F is facing to the D and D is facing to the F. So D means option number 2 is the correct one. Then question number 45, while traveling from B to A. So B to A, this is the direction. How many times does one turn to his right side? Now, while traveling from B, his right side will be the here, right side. Okay. Now, how many right turns are there? So, here this right turn 1, then 2, after this left, then this left, then again this right, 3, then this again one right, again one right, then this left, 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 then right. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is also right, 7. So total 7 turns are there. 7 means option number 2 is the correct one. Then question number 46, in the following questions which number replace the question mark? So question mark is here. So here the relations means at the vertices, all the 4 vertices, there are the 4 digits are mentioned. So if you multiply by these digits, 2 multiply by 3, that we are getting the 6. Here also 4 multiply by 3, we are getting the 12. And 12 and 6, if we are making addition, then we are getting this 18 here. So same here also multiplication, and then here the product. Okay, and then after this additions, we are getting this middle number. Same here also. So here 20 and here the 35. So after addition 55. So likewise 1 multiplied by 3, that 3, and then 2 multiplied by 2, that is the 4, and 7 plus 3 plus 4, that is the 7, and 7 at the can be replaced to the question mark. So 7 is given in option number 3. Now question number 47, which Venn diagram represent the set of words numbers, square numbers and triangular number? Now square numbers and triangular numbers are belongs to the numbers, means there should be outer one circle, so here and here. Okay, but some square numbers are also a triangular numbers, means there is a common between that one. So means this is a perfectly matching. So option number 4 is the correct one. Then instruction for question number 48 and 49, select the answer figure that matches exactly to the question figure. Question number 48. So for question number 48, option number 4 is the correct one, and for question number 49, option number 1 is the correct one. Now instruction for question number 50 and 54, 50 to 54. In each question, the first term is related to the second term and the same relationship should occur between other 2 terms. Find out the term that plays the question mark. So question number 50, all, hoot, and then crow, cow is there, means there is a sound making of. Okay, so option number 2 is the correctly. Then question number 51, 8th March, which is a woman's day. Likewise 11th November, this is the education day, means option number 3 is the correct one. Question number 52, 78, 84 and 58 question mark. So here, so 7 and 8, this multiplication of this 2 digit, we are getting the 7 8s, that is a 56. Okay, and 56 plus this 56 by 2, if we are making, means 56. Then additions of this same number 56 and then divided by 2. So 56 plus 28, then we are getting the 84. So same we will apply here. So for 58, so 5 and 8, so 5 multiplied by 8, so that is a 40, and with additions of this 40, so 40 by 2 means that is a 40 plus 20, so that is a 60, and 60 is given in option number 4. Then question number 53, A as to A, then D as to question mark. So A means number 1 and 1 square is a 1. So like this, D having the 4 and 4 square is a 16, and 16 means alphabet B. Alphabet P means option number 1 is the correct one. Then question number 54, in a question figures, so this is hexagonal. So three lines are parallel and this is turning to the, means the figure is the same, vertices at the same pair. This line are turning from this one to the another one, means if this is starting from this one, means in the next figure that is starting from next vertices. So triangular also the same, but this line is starting from this vertical, so means another vertices. So from this one and this one and this one. Okay, so in this one option number 4 is totally incorrectly, because this it has to started from this direction for the next vertices, means from this top one. So top one for option number 1, 2 and 3, this vertical line started. Then 1, 2 and 3, these three lines are in horizontal, but here these three lines are not horizontal, and actually here that is a making perpendicular to the vertical line. Okay, so means these are inclining, so that's option number 2 is incorrectly. Then after this rotation, this single line should be at the right side, so here should be there, so that's why option number 3 is a correct one, and here the single line at the left side, so this is a incorrect. Now question number 55, Ajay's age is 5 times Vijay's age. So here the 5 times, and 2 times of the Sanjay's age, means multiply by 2. Then how many times the Vijay's age is Sanjay's age? So means Vijay's and the Sanjay's age, that is a comparison. So means 5 by 2 we have to do, means that is a 2.5, means we can say 2 and half also. Okay, so that is given in option number 4. Now question number 56, there is a difference of 6 years in Suma and Pama's age. So Suma's age is S and Pama's age is P. So S then minus P is equals to 6 years. Then sum of their ages is 36. So S plus P, we can say that is a 36. What will be the Pama's age after 3 years if she is younger? So Pama is younger means of course this S minus P is correct one. Okay, so as per this one we will find out the age. So here the additions of P we get cancelled, so 2S is equals to this 42, so means S is equals to 21. So S means Suma's age. Now asking about what will be the Pama's age after 3 years. So for this one, first of all we will calculate the Pama's age. Now difference is the 6 years, so means if Suma's age is 21, so minus this 6 difference, then that is a 15 year is the Puma's age. Okay, so Pama's age is a 15 years. Then asking about the after the 3 years, so means plus 3, so 15 plus 3, that is a 18 years old is after the 3 years. So 18 years means option number 2 is the correct one. Now question number 57, Akshay said to Akshada, you are the only daughter of sister of my maternal uncle. Now Akshay to Akshada, okay, AD suppose. Now you are the only daughter of, means suppose mother, daughter of the sister of my mom. So Ajay's mom's sister of my maternal uncles, means uncle's daughter. Okay, so that is the meaning. Now mother of my uncles, okay, means the daughter of, means this mother is nothing but the this one. Okay, so means uncle's daughter, so means how Akshada related to the Akshada, how Akshay related to the Akshada, means they are the brother. Akshay is brother of the Akshada, means option number 4 is the correct one. Question number 58, a glass of 100 ml water is had in every half an hour since 9 and 30. in the morning means 9:30 a.m. That is the meaning. When will the half liter water will consume? Now, a glass of 100 ml water is had in every half an hour. Okay, so means after this one, this 100 ml already taken at this one. Then at the 10 means after the 30 minutes, that is a 200 ml 200 ml means after this one again the 100 ml will come, means total 200 ml. Then 10:30 300, then 11, that is a 400. So 11:30 a.m. that is a 500, means that is a half liter. Okay, so we can say the half liter. So means that is a 11:30. So 11:30 means option number 1 is the correct one. Now question number 59, statements A and B are given. So in statement A, all guavas are sweet, and B, no mangoes is sour. Then conclusion 1, all fruits are sweet. No, this is incorrectly. Then 2, all mangoes and guavas are not sour. So no mangoes is sour, okay, and guavas is sour, sweet, means that is a no guavas is sour, means that is a, this statement 2 is the correct one. Then statement 3, no guava is sour, this is the correctly. And conclusion 4, the fruit that is sweet is only mango. So means this mango, about the mango, that is not confirmed, so this is incorrectly. So 2 and 3 only correct, so option number 2 and 3 is the correct one. Then question number 60, in the adjoining figure, how many quadrilaterals are more than the number of squares? Means we have to find out the quadrilaterals and the squares also. For the quadrilaterals, so that is a 1, 2 and 3, here 1, 2 and 3. So for quadrilateral, 1 plus 2 plus 3, and then multiply by this 1 plus 2 plus 3. So here the 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is a 6, and then multiply by 6, so that is a 36. And for the squares, so 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square, so 1 plus 4 plus, that is a 9, so that is a 14. And the difference more than that one means 36 minus this 14, so that is a 22. So option number 3 is the correct one. Then question number 61, how many acute angles are there in the adjoining figure? So acute angles mean that is a below the 90 degree, but here already one 90 degree angle means right angle is there. So one angle we have to deduct, means -1. Then 1, 2, 3 and the 4 means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So that is a 10, and then this -1 means 9 triangles are there. 9 means option number 1 is the correct one. Now, instruction for question number 62 and 63. Select the mirror image of the following questions. So, for question number 62, the answer is option number 3, and for question number 63, answer is option number 2. Then, instruction for question number 64 and 65. Select the water reflections. So, for question number 64, so water reflections means option number 1 is the correct one for this one, and for question number 65, option number 2 is the correct one. Now, instruction for question number 66 to 70, select the term that matches to the given group of the term. So, question number 66, volcano, storms and earthquakes. So, these are the natural calamities. So, in this one, so option number 3 means tsunami, also a natural calamities. Then question number 67, bold, simple and the new. So, these are the adjective words. So, for this one, the respected is also the adjective, means option number 4 is the correct one. Then question number 68, this is the mirror image, so I just made down mirror reflection. Then this is the mirror reflection and then water reflections, means after the mirror, first it's a mirror image, so that is like a same this one, and after this one the water reflection, so like this one. Okay, or we can say the inverse, means 2 steps are there, and here the only the mirror reflections. Okay, so after this one, so we have to search something which having the mirror image and then inverse. Okay, so for this one, so option number 1 means S is the correctly, so S is here. So after this mirror image like this one, and again, so the water inverse this one, and these 2 figures are given in this one. So means this, for the question number 68, option number 1 is the correct one. So question number 69. So here 119. So 17 multiplied by 7, we are getting 119. So here 17 multiplied by 9, we are getting 153. Here 17 multiplied by 11 means 170 plus 1, the 17, we are getting 187. So likewise 17 multiplied by 13, we are getting 221. So option number 4 is the correctly. Others numbers means here 7, 9, 11 and the 13, these are the prime numbers. So this multiplications of this 17 comes in a prime number. Here 17 multiplied by this 6, so but 6 is not a prime number, so that's why this is a incorrect options in even others also, and this is not in 17's multiplication. Question number 70. 6, 9, 15 and then 21. So in this one 2 multiplied by 3, we are getting 6. Then 3 multiplied by 3, we are getting 9. Then 5 multiplied by 3, we are getting this 15. Then 7 multiplied by 3, we are getting this 20. Means this 2, 3, 5 and 7, these are the prime numbers. So after this 7, there are the 11, and 11 multiplied by 3, that is a 33. So that's why option number 2 is the correct one. In a code, now question number 71. In a code, cat is called tiger, tiger is called dog, dog is called goat, goat is called cat. Who guard the house? So that is a dog, and dog is called a goat. Means option number 3 is the correct one. Now question number 72. In a code, HRM is equals to these symbols, then KRN this symbol. Then how will you write H, M and N? So H for the star. So means at the initially this star should be there in options. So these two options have. So others are incorrectly. Then M for this circle. So after this one circle is there, here nothing is there. So option number 4 is incorrectly. Only option number 2 is there. Then after the N means this triangle. So this is correct. So option number 2 is the correct one. Then question number 73. In a code, 2143 is written as 4286 and 4031 is as a 8062. How we will write 1320? So 1 means here 1 means the 2, so here the 2, then 3 means the last digit, means that is a 6, then 2 means the first digit, that is a 4, and then 0 means that is a 0, same means 2640. So 2640 means option number 4 is the correct one. Then for question number 74, a committee in a village organize an essay competition. You have not prepared for it. What will you do? So for this one, option number 2 is the correct one. Participate with whatever prepared. Then question number 75. You are sitting in a bus on the seat reserved for senior citizens. An old man got into the bus on the next stop. What will you do? So here option number 2 means give my seat to the old man, means you will offer that seat to the old man, because that is a that seats are reserved for the senior citizens. Okay, so option number 2 is the correct one. Thank you.